Hello everyone! May bago na naman tayong terms of service sa YouTube. This vlog is necessary sa lahat ng content creators since ang Google will require to deduct US taxes from payments to creators outside of the US later this year, as early as June 2021. Very sad, right? But we don't have any choice to, we have to comply para hindi naman masayang yung mga natin, total earnings. So, kailangan natin i-submit ang tax info sa AdSense to determine the correct amount of taxes to deduct, if any apply. Pag hindi natin makomply ang requirements sa Google, may be required to deduct up to 24% of your total earnings. Diba? Ang sakit, ang laki, diba? And this is worldwide. So, in this video, samahan nyo ako paano ko na-comply or na-submit ang tax form ko. Ito na, i-open muna natin yung Google Adsense para makalagin tayo sa ating Google account. Ito na. And then, after nito, nakita nyo yung important, yan. Important check, if additional tax information is required from you, all the YouTube creators and partners are required to submit tax information to ensure any applicable taxes on your payments are accurate. So, ang gawin natin is, punta tayo na click payments. Dito tayo, click payments. So, nakita nyo yung tawag nito. Iyan. Action required all YouTube, and then i-click lang natin yung manage tax info. So, manage tax info, click natin yung add tax info. So, kung babasahin natin, provide update for tax info to get payouts from Google. Make sure to provide your tax information. This will take a few minutes. So, start na tayo. I-add natin, i-click natin tax, add tax info. And then, kailangan nating i-sign in yung email natin. So, next tayo. So, after that, ayun. So, nakita nyo yung tawag nito, United States tax information. To find the right tax form, please answer a few questions first. The IRS, the US Tax Authority, require the tax info be reported in letter A or Z or numbers. For accented characters, use the letter only, such as N for any or a for. And then, learn more. Basa-basahin nyo na lang para may konting information kayo. So, andito na yung account name natin. So, ang gawin natin is, pumili tayo ng individual. Click lang natin individual. And then, next tayo. And then, after that one, are you a citizen or resident of the United States? No. So, next tayo. And then, after that one, select W-8 tax form type. Based on your previously selected answers, a W-8 form is needed. So, since na tayo, individual tayo, so pinili ko itong W-8 bin. This form is most commonly used by non-US individuals and would also be used to claim tax treaty benefits. So, piliin natin to, yung first, na box. And then, start tayo ng W-8 bin form. So, click natin yan. So, yan na siya. Ito na yung country, in the name of an individual, and then DBE doing business, category, and then country of citizenship, Philippines. So, i-type natin yung Philippines. Kasi yung in-apply ko before, yung country is Philippines. So, instead of UE, nilagay ko yung Philippines kasi hindi naman ako dito forever. So, ayan, Philippines. And then, after that one, taxpayer identification number, tax process number, since wala naman akong foreign 10 or US blah blah blah. So, ini-next ko siya. Ayan. So, i-click natin yung permanent residence. And then, i-ano natin yung address line natin. Yung address nag-fill up kayo previously, yung nag-ano kayo ng Google Adsense, yun ang gamitin nyo. Fill up na natin to. City ko is Cebu. So, lagay natin din yung postal code. Natin. And then, lagay ko yung province natin is Cebu. The mailing address and permanent residence address. And then, next. Click lang natin yung next. And then, tax treaty. Are you claiming a reduced rate of without under a tax treaty? And then US tax law may impose 30% withholding tax payment that are considered US source income. This tax may reduce or eliminated for any period that qualifies under a relevant tax treaty. And then yung pangalawa, yes, resident of the country claiming treaty with the US. So, since wala namang tawag nito, treaty yung Philippines to US, so, ang fill up ko nito is no. So, wala tayong treaty. And then, kasi yung personal opinion ko, yung treaty article, kung i-check nyo yung legal treaty of Philippines, hindi siya included sa sa tax, sa parang article doon. So, kasi dinouble check ko din siya. So, kayo din, i-double check nyo din kasi ako, nag-double check ako regarding sa treaty article. So, this one, ini-next natin. So, ito na yung form. Diba? So, ang ginawa ko, before I click the icon form, i-review ko muna siya. See, ang bilis. Look at the form, ang bilis. So, ito na yung Certificate of Foreign Status of Beneficial Owner for United States Tax Holding and Reporting Individuals. Yan na siya. Di ba ang bilis pag tax? Wala nang kahasel-hasel. Naka-ano na siya. Naka-format na. So, hindi na double work. So, kung anong in-apply mo doon sa form, na yung step by step na yun, naka-carry out dito sa form na ito, and then hindi ka na mag-double apply. So, automatic na siya, nag-i-enter lang siya. Ito na basta tax, ang bilis no? Pera. Basta tax. Panalo. Yan na siya, certification, and blah blah blah. Yan, my part 1, claim of tax, treaty benefits, for chapter 3 purposes only, instruction, certification, I am blah blah blah. So, kailangan yung basahin yan. And then, print, signer, and then may ganun siya. And then, I confirm para matapos tayo. And then, next. And then, after nun, certification, your signature. So, ang signature nyo, ang gawin nyo is, ilagay nyo yung full legal name nyo. So, kung anong in-apply nyo doon sa sa YouTube, Google Adsense nyo, yun ang ilagay nyo. Yan ang tinatawag na full signature name. So, after no, individual or entity identified in the tax identity section perform any activities and services for Google within US? No. Are you the person listed in the signature section? Yes. I am the person listed in the signature section and I'm completing this form on my behalf. So yes tayo. So are you the person listed? Yes. And then pag hindi naman kayo ang anak nyo, so punta na lang kayo dito. No, I am signing on behalf of the person listed the signature. Kung ang anak nyo din, kayo ang nag-ano sa kanya, nagki-carry yung channel, YouTube channel nyo. So magni-next tayo. And then pagkatapos nito, no tayo. And then I certify that the service provided by Google or its affiliates will be performed solely outside the US, and that any labor of capital, including facilities or other tools used to provide such services, will be physically located outside the US. So I certify. Click lang natin kasi affidavit. So are you providing tax info for a new or existing payments profile that hasn't received payments, or an existing payments profile that has previously received payments? So lang niyo. So ang ginawa ko is ito, kiniklik ko siya. I am providing tax info for a new, kasi bago ang ko, so wala akong tax information. So we'll see, submit ko siya. So pag submit ko, mabilis lang siya kung tutuusin. And then approved status, the tax form and withholds WHT, yan ang tinatawag na withholding tax rates. And then form W8 din ang default ko kasi individual ang pinili ko siya. Yun na yun. WTH rate 30%, copyrighted 30%, services default 30%. So yun, withheld and reported. So done na po. Natapos ko na din siya. And then it will not take time. Mabilis lang talaga siya pag tax kasi pera collection na yun Okay na siya, na-approve na tayo. Provide or update your tax information of your profile, determine how our taxes and collected. So guys, we don't have option. We need to be the terms implemented para wala tayong negative scenario in the near future. Very easy lang po mag-fill up ng form. Kaya gawin na natin mga kapatid. Even though a bit unhappy tayo nito sa new terms, pero we have to abide for the new rules para hindi tayo maka-encounter ng 24% deduction or more sa total earnings natin. Sayang din yun, di ba? Especially sa mga channels na hindi gaano kalakihan ang monthly revenue. So, I hope this video nakatulong sa inyo kahit paano. Thank you for watching. Keep safe everyone. Share positivity always. Bye everyone. Till my next vlog. See you.